Hello there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to tackle quadratic equation using factorization and formula method. If you ever first talk why dealing with equation like this, then this video is perfect for you. So let's go straight to the video. If the first question we are going to be using factorization method. The first question says that x squared plus 7x plus 10 equals to 0. To solve this kind of question, we have to find two numbers that the sum is 7 and the product is 10. So and the number is plus 5 and plus 2 because 5 times 2 is 10 and 2 is 7. Then we replace 7x with 5x plus 2x because 5x plus 2x will also give us 7x, which is very clear. Now we group this equation into two so that we won't make any mistake. And we factor out our equation and we set each equation into 0 to get our final answer. Then we add 5 to this side to get x equals to minus 5, and we add 5 to the other side, so 5 from our side to get x equals to minus 2. And this is how we get our solution for the first question. Now let's go to the second question. We're going to be solving this second question using the quadratic formula, which is the almighty formula. The question says that 2x squared minus 3x minus 4 equals 0. To solve the question, the first thing we are going to consider is does the question or the equation match with the standard quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c. When it matches, then we can proceed by assigning each number to their variable. In this case, our a is 2, our b is minus 3, and our c is minus 4. Then introducing the almighty formula, which says that minus b plus or minus this root b square minus 4ac all over 2a. Now we are going to substitute our variable with the variable in formula. Our b here is minus 3, so we are going to change the b. We are going to substitute minus 3 for anywhere we see b in the equation. Make sure you try to cram the formula. It's very simple. Minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac all over 2a, and we are going to substitute b for minus 3 and a as 2 and our c as minus 4. Then we can go. The first thing we are going to do is that we are going to simplify the roots. In this case, minus 3 square is 9 and minus 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times minus 4 is plus 32. So we arrive at 9 plus 32 over 4. You know that 2 times 2 is 4. Next thing we are going to do is that we are going to fully simplify the roots, which is that 9 plus 32. 9 plus 32 give us 41, which we will see in the next slide. So we have something like 3 plus or minus with 41 over 4 because 9 plus 32 is 41. Then the next we are going to be doing from here is that we are going to split this equation. Take the property of minus and take the property of plus. So we have something like x equals to 3 plus 41 over 4 and x equals to 3 minus 41 over 4. You know, before we have plus or minus, so we split the plus or minus into 2. So we take plus to one side and we take the minus to the other side, which is the negative sign. So the next thing we are going to do is further simplify the roots. Plus 41 will definitely give us 6.4, and since root 41 is 6.4, we replace root 41 with 6.4. You can check that with your calculator. Then what we are going to be doing from here is that we are going to simplify the fraction. 3 plus 6.4 and 3 minus 6.4. That will give us 3 plus 6.4 is 9.4 and 3 minus 6.4 is minus 3.4. So you can leave your answer like this, but you can see furthermore by simplifying the fraction into a decimal. 0.4 over 4 to give us 2.34, and minus 3.4 divided by 4 will give us 0.84. So now we come to the conclusion of our video. We have our solution as 2.34 and minus 0.84. I hope you enjoyed the video, so make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
Thank you for watching.